OMG Nation, let me close my lid. Oh crap, my lid won't close. There we go, that's better. So I'm testing out this new GoPro case. So I ordered it online off some dude's affiliate link. It's one of those cases that actually holds that GoPro mic adapter for the Hero 7 underneath the case itself. I'll show you a picture of it right here. That's what it looks like. So hopefully this will turn out with some good footage, but I just kind of realized something, that every time I open and close my shield, the way it's positioned, because it sits a little higher up, it knocks my visor, the bottom of it. So maybe I'm gonna have to figure out some type of new position, or even change where I have my GoPro little arm angled at, or let me rephrase that, anchored at, and then maybe even change the angle of the arm. So I don't know, so this is the first run on it, and it'll be a work in progress to get the right position. But this is the first time that I've actually used it. Kind of like this sunblock that I put on right here that's not supposed to turn your arms white, and my arms look really white. Hey Pooch. But when I go to open up my visor, it hits spink right there. Maybe you can hear that? Dunk. So I don't know, I'll figure this. Maybe I can move it forward just a hair. But it looks like it shakes more when I do that. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But tonight is HOG Chapter meeting night, and I am headed to Elliston Soda Shop for the Harley Davidson HOG Chapter of Cool Springs, Middle Tennessee HOG Chapter 2715, our Wednesday night meeting. So I'll try to get a little footage in there. I had to reroute the microphone inside of my helmet, and the little dead cat, this little thing, it looks like this, is tickling my lips. So this one might even be too loud. I don't know, maybe I'll have to mess with the audio. I always drop the audio a little bit because I'm a loud talker anyways. When I was a kid in school, I always got caught whispering because I don't know how to whisper. I'm one of those people. I'm that guy that if I start to tell you something and it's a whisper, it's like this. It's like a whisper yell, and I don't know why. I don't know why I do that, but I don't know how to whisper. I guess I never learned how. I used to have this buddy in school that would say something to me, and then I'd answer him back, and then I'd hear, Ryan, you're not supposed to be talking right now. Dadgummit. And he'd just laugh. He's like, dude, you gotta learn how to whisper. Yeah, I don't think I ever learned. I'm still not a good whisperer. The old lip tickler. Anytime I make any changes inside of my helmet, I always feel like I have to change it 2 or 3 times for it to actually work out correctly. Oh my. Well, I'm not talking to you. Hush. Oh crap, I'm not supposed to turn here. Whoops. Oh well, I guess I'm turning. There we go. Yeah, and just in case anyone asks, I forgot my gloves tonight. I thought I left them in my garage. Apparently I left them on my desk at my office, so when I went to load up, I was just kind of like, you know what, I'm not going back in there to get them. Alright, let's see, y'all. Oh, somebody's got one of them brand spanking new Road Glide specials. Woo! With the 114, baby. Look at, hold on, let me turn this off. Look at that. Woo-wee. Man. Billiard blue. Looks good. Nope, it's there. Yeah, they sold a lot of Fat Boys from that movie. But even this light. Be careful out there, buddy. All right, brother. Even this light's a plug and play. Yeah, that's a plug and play too. I'll see you, brother. You too. I love it, man. That's the best Road Glide I've seen them come out with in a long time. So again, that's a little bit of the HOG Chapter meeting. The chapter number is 2715. If you are in the Middle Tennessee area, we are based out of the Moonshine Harley Davidson dealership in Franklin, Tennessee, Cool Springs area. We always love new members, so there is a link in the description. You can hit that, join that page. You don't have to be a member to join the page. We'd love to have you guys. You can even come out for a ride just to see if it's for you. You just have to sign a waiver before you ride, your standard waiver. Well, that's going to be it for this episode. I truly appreciate you guys watching. Whoa. If this is your first time to my channel, you haven't seen any episodes before, I'm going to put one here and here. You can also subscribe right there. Thanks for watching, everyone.